Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. Your iPhone and Apple Watch are updated, you're signed into the same Apple ID, and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi are on. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap All Watches if needed, then tap your watch name. Once paired and visible, go to Settings on the watch, and on the iPhone open Settings your name Find My. This ensures devices can share location and lets you proceed to enable Find My for the watch. Now you'll turn on the actual services. On your iPhone, tap Settings, then your name, then Find My, enable Share My Location and Find My iPhone. Make sure Location Services is on in Settings Privacy. Set Apple Watch location access to while using or always where available. On the watch, confirm Settings Privacy Location Services is enabled. These steps let the watch report its location and allow you to locate it through the Find My app or iCloud if it goes missing. Finish by verifying the watch appears in the Find My app on your iPhone. Open Find My, tap Devices, and select your Apple Watch. Test it using Play Sound or get directions so you know it reports correctly. If the watch is offline, enable Notify when found and set Lost Mode to lock it and display contact info. Troubleshooting tip: if the watch doesn't appear, unpair and repair via the Watch app after signing out and back into your Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.